Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly arrived MasterCraft XT22. This is a 2023. You can see we did the green hull with the black, and then the rest of the boat in green with the black MasterCraft logo. And then we did the green on the BTS windshield and the green inserts on the Z8 tower. Take you around the back of the boat here. This is the XT model, 22-foot boat, surf system, underwater lights, comes with the trailer. It's got the rear pop-up flip seats, and then this pops out right here, so you have a little more seating area. Really cool boat. Really cool thing about the XT models, I'm going to take you through. You can step right on through. You never have to step on your seating. You make a step here, step right over the pop-up ski tow bar, down onto the seat, all sea decked. So a full step through, reverse flip seat, storage with built-in cooler, pop-up seat. It's got the holders for the cell phones, and new for 2023, they added 2 more speakers to the up in the cockpit of the boat, one by the driver, one by the passenger over here. Went with the black cool fill interior, green accent with the black highlighted thread. This has the 7-inch screen with the SurfStar system. Battery phone charger right there. Nice walk through, trash can. Close this off, the wind dam, shut the windshield. Nice because it's the 22-foot, it has the big wide bow on this, so lots of room up here. This boat will seat 16 people. Awesome surf boat. The new SurfStar system. This boat throws a huge surf wake out. Great wakeboarding boat. You can still ski behind the boat, and then just great for all around cruising. It's got the 6-liter, 373 horsepower Ilmore motor in it, so plenty of horsepower. We did equip this boat with the heater vents and the heater hoses, so if it gets a little cool out there, you can still get out on the water. Fantastic boat. Come and check out this MasterCraft XT22 2023 at our Greenville store, or you can check it out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. We have lots of other MasterCrafts in stock, lots of colors, lots of models. Come on out, man. Check us out. Still warm out on the lake. Still get some fall boating in. Thank you.